a.m. It's time for another How to Beat the Banks weekly fast fact.
Why do realtors hate VA loans? It's an interesting question right now. To be fair, that's not an indictment on all real estate agents in the nation, but let me tell you something. There are definitely some VA loan haters out there, and I need to make sure that you guys are armed and dangerous and equipped so that way when those objections come up, you are prepared to answer them. All right, now before we get started, you and I, we've got to take care of some business as we always do about this time. Consider showing your love by clicking like on this video, subscribing to this channel, and lastly, commenting down below. By the way, you can ask questions and I'll personally answer them for you as well. All right, so now that we've done that, let's talk a little bit more about why real estate agents hate VA loans. Now, I have to be honest. When I say hate, that is synonymous with uninformed or uneducated or perhaps have been told things in the past that are simply not true when it comes to our VA home loan benefit. So the first reason why a lot of real estate agents hate VA loans is because that they think it takes longer to close.
Let me let you in on a little secret. The VA does not lend the money.
In other words, they just guarantee the loan. So if the VA loan is taking too long to close, perhaps you may want to consider speaking to another lender who can get the loan done sooner. And there's a lot of big box retail mortgage companies out there that could take 45 days or 60 days to close. So make sure that the lender that you're working with can get the loan done according to just how quickly you need to close. Good to go? The second reason that real estate agents tend to hate VA loans is because they think that their seller, the client, has to pay for all of our costs in conjunction with a VA loan. This is simply not true. Veterans can pay for all of their own closing costs in conjunction with a VA loan. And understand, veterans, that when we pay for our own costs, it helps position our offer in a stronger negotiating scenario. The third reason that real estate agents tend to hate VA loans is because they think that the inspector is going to go in and just really tear apart the condition of the property. Again, let me let you in on another little secret. There is no inspector on a VA loan. The inspector is the VA appraiser. It's one and the same, it's built in. In my experience, if you as the veteran or real estate agent are prepared for the following, I'm about to give it to you, you won't have any issues when it comes to the inspection piece. Number one, make sure that the property is structurally safe. Number two, make sure that it's structurally sound. And number three, make sure that it's sanitary. As long as you check all three of those boxes, you are not going to have any issues when it comes to a VA loan. All right, so now just maybe we can take that hate and we can convert it into love.